How to fix you can't buy or sell on Facebook Marketplace problem. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how can you resolve the issue of not being able to buy or sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, you have to watch this video carefully and note my words. To fix this problem, you need to follow certain steps. But before I show you that, I'll give you one piece of advice. You have to be very careful when placing an ad, posting an ad, or buying and selling something on the marketplace. They have community standard guidelines, and just go to the Google and type Facebook Marketplace Community Standards and then read through all those community standards to understand how to properly manage your marketplace, what you can buy, what you can sell, and the criteria and policies you need to follow. Study these things before using the marketplace to prevent encountering this kind of error. When you understand and study all the criteria, eligibility, privacy, and policies, you won't face this problem next time, and each of your ads on the marketplace will be approved. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Facebook app and ensure that you're logged into your specific account. Click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select the marketplace option. If you encounter any difficulties with buying and selling, proceed to the menu, scroll down to help and support, and tap on the report or problem. Continue to report the issue, include the details of your problem regarding buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace, and submit the report. Facebook support will view your report within 24 hours and provide you a solution. This process will help you address the issue and resume buying or selling on Facebook Marketplace. This is how you can fix you can't buy or sell on Facebook Marketplace problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.